Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to boost your hosting performance for free. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Now, look for the hosting section and click on this Manage button next to the hosting plan you want to boost for free. By the way, this boost lasts 24 hours. And you can get it one time per month for free. Now, from this left side menu, click on Hosting Plan and select Resources Usage. Look for Boost Your Hosting Resources and click on this Boost Now button. A new window pops up. As you see, increase your hosting plan limits for 24 hours for free. Boosting is recommended when you want to handle traffic spikes, to import large amount of data faster, or to test a better plan without any commitments. So these are real or useful scenarios when boosting your your hosting performance becomes useful. Below that, you have a table that shows you your current plan. In my case, it's the premium web hosting and the plan you will get for boost. If you don't know, this boost gives you the ability to test the upper plan for free. Since I have the premium web hosting plan, I will be moved to the business web hosting plan. If you already have the business web hosting plan, you will get, I think, the something called cloud something. On the same table, you have a comparison between your current plan and what you get after booting. In my case, I will get 2 times the CPU cores, 1.5 GB of RAM instead of just a gigabyte, and so on. As you see, the hosting plan boosting for 24 hours is available 1 time per month. And click on this boost button. And that's it. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial, and that's it. You will instantly get the after boosting performance for free for the 24 hours. And this is how to boost your hosting performance for free. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.